Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to try something different. So I'm going to dye this bob. So the color that I'm using is the color Jade and it's by Adore. I got one bottle did the whole head because this is short hair. And I just squeezed it into my bowl, and as y'all can see it's like a dark blue. I'm just mixing it around to make sure all the color is well mixed, and then I'm just gonna start applying it to the hair. Now let me tell you, this wig, honey, it was made with like a bundle and a half. So I always wear it wavy to make it look full. So I'm not sure how this is gonna look, so we're gonna see. So, oh yeah, I did double the tracks in this wig also. So when you're applying the color, you want to make sure like you get every piece of the hair, especially, if you've already dyed it blonde, because you don't really want any blonde sticking through like that. So, just be sure to get all of the hair. So at the closure, I'm going to the root with the color because I just don't want it to be any kind of like non-blending going on. So I'm just going to go all the way to the root and then of course bring it out to the ends. Okay, so once I have the color on, as y'all can see, it's looking green, kind of teal in some spots, and that's fine with me because I wasn't really going for a certain color. I just wanted something different. So what I'm gonna do is just comb the hair through, and then the leftover color that I have, I'm just going to distribute it throughout the rest of the wig. And this is how it turned out once I washed it. I did let the color sit for like an hour, and then I rinsed it out, shampooed it, and deep conditioned it. So as you can see, it's green. I like it. It's more of like a greenish bluish kind of. It looks really nice in person. So this is how it looks, and I love it, y'all. It's like a mint green, and you see like the streaks of the actual jade color in the closure, which still looks bomb. So what I'm gonna do now is just like even up the cut, cause when I cut this, y'all, I was young and it was just a hot mess. So I'm just gonna, even it up and create some type of something. And as y'all can see, it does not look as thin as I thought it would look. Okay, these 1.5 bundles, I guess it worked really nice this time. So I had previous layers in the back. So what I'm deciding to do is just go all around the bob and just add like layers toward the end of the hair. Okay, y'all, so it came out bomb. Look at the bang. The bang is my favorite part. I love the color and I love the feathers. Like, it's giving me life. I'm gonna do more colors like this, y'all. If you have a color you want me to do, you want me to try, put it down below in the comment section, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.